I'm here with Rob Stella, GM of Opposite Lock, coming to say congratulations on 50 years.
Thanks, mate. It's been a big 50 years. 50 years ago, Ed Mulligan started the business in WA, found this niche market for four-wheel drive accessories and really drove it from there. So we're proud to be part of it.
As the GM, because that's a huge achievement, right? 50 years and you're at the helm of it.
Real amazing achievement by the business. The business has gone through different iterations and changed over those 50 years. Really starting off in that rally space, that's where Opposite Lock comes from. People ask about the name. It's really because of that Opposite Lock in rally driving, and moved into four-wheel drive accessories where we really try to lead now. You know, we're a national business, we're around the country, you know, more than 50 stores now, and growing constantly, which is amazing. It's an amazing piece. Not many franchises continue to grow for the years. And we see the business really keeping going for another 50, really. You know, being part of the back core stable, it really helps us do that.
We're at the National 4x4 show, the Brisbane one, and this is going to be you touring Australia this year. What are you excited about at this show?
What really excites me about any of the shows we do, especially in Brisbane when we start the year off, is really the support we get from suppliers like Outback Armour. You know, there is really a massive piece of our stores. Without the suppliers in our stores, we're nothing. We're an empty space, really. You know, so we really drive that piece home, that people like Outback Armour, suppliers like you guys who support us, and have supported us for a long time, not just today, really help us, you know, develop and drive those people into us, not just into the stand, but into our stores on a day-to-day basis. And that's what's most exciting about it. And those suppliers continually add on. You know, it's great.
We're only 11 years old, not 50, but it's been a pleasure being a part of this brand. What is it that four-wheel drive enthusiasts can expect walking into an Outback Armour store? An Opposite Lock store.
That's all right. They can expect Outback Armour. Look, they can expect all the top brands that in the four-wheel drive space. You know, Outback Armour is one of them. You've got communication brands like Unit and GME. You've got fun brands like EcoX Gear. You know, we do wheels. We can basically take everything from the front of the car to the back of the car without missing a piece. Under the bonnet, on top of the roof, right under the car. We literally cover everything that we do, you know, that you want or you need for that four-wheel drive experience. Full builds, from the smallest piece to the largest. We'll do a gear stick assembly if you need it, right? Doesn't matter, I will be able to cover it.
Rob, I'm a new-ish four-wheel driver now. What's your top tip for someone getting into the four-wheel drive?
Well, I'm going to say, after you actually come to OL and get decked out and be ready, put your Outback Armour suspension in, of course. You know, really just take it easy. There's no point going out there hitting it really hard and driving your car to a point where it doesn't really need to go. Learn, take it easy, work it out, and as you get more confident, really build. You know, some great stuff out there to view on YouTube and those sort of things. You know, I know you do a bit of content out there, right, to view. Just watch it, get those ideas of what you need to do to really drive that, you know, and make sure you're safe. And most important, keep safe. Have fun, but stay safe.
You've got OL all around Australia.
Yep.
Where can people find out more about you?
Definitely go to the website, so oppositelock.com.au. But really, we're in every state now. So from Hobart up to Darwin, right across to Kalgoorlie, all the way to Brisbane, Sydney, Melbourne. So there's a store anywhere that you really need, but the website will show you all those details.
Keeping Australians safe everywhere then.
That's it. Looking after them.
Mate, great achievement again.
Thank you.
Good to catch up.
Enjoy, thanks.